Okay, baby, let's get into it and make ourselves a little chicken dish. So, tomato sofrito I already had in the fridge. We're going to use this up. What kind of chicken we making? I don't know. It's a throw together chicken. I'm going to put a little chicken broth in here. Shake this up so we can get everything about this bottle. Oven is already preheated. Some minced garlic. Some Italian. Onion powder. Some pepper. Ooh, if I could get it open. Pepper. And I'm just using the chicken that I had. You know what I'm saying? Meat tenderizer. A little ghetto girl eats on everything. And I got some Szechuan chili. Throw some of that up in there. There's going to be some flavorful chicken. Alright, the pieces that I had in the fridge. I had 2 legs. In the freezer, 2 legs. And then in another bag, I had 2 thighs. Last bag was 2 thighs. Mix this up. Mix, mix, mix. Looking good. Keep mixing. Boom. We really got it mixed up. Let's get it laid out. Alright. It didn't seem like everything was going to fit, but we nestled it up in there. Got the remaining. Pour this all over. Alright. Here we go. We're going to get this covered with foil in the oven. 350 until it is cooked thoroughly. All the way through. Our little made up chicken dish. Alright, you guys, our chicken have come out. I've already made Money Bug's plate. But this is our chicken concoction that we came up with. Yes. A little sweet, a little heat. Delicious.